Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear student, in previous class we take and discuss the very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what? Understanding quadrilateral. And in that chapter we discuss all the important concept related to that chapter, like we discuss about the angle, the sum of all interior angle of a polygon, the sum of each interior angle polygon to find the each exterior angle of the polygon. And we also discuss about the some important concept related to parallelogram, and we take and solve some important question based on these topics, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay dear students, now in that class we are going to start a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what? Practical geometry. Dear students, in that chapter, this is very interesting and easy chapter. In previous classes you already discussed about the chapter practical geometry, and in previous classes you construct the triangle when its three sides are given. You draw the line bisectors of a line, or perpendicular bisector of a line, and also you construct the angles with the help of ruler and compasses. Angles like 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, okay, 60 degree with the help of ruler and compasses. Now in that class we generally in first chapter of your syllabus exercise के in chapter कि we construct some important we construct the quadrilaterals like parallelogram, like rhombus, like quadrilateral as it is, with the help of ruler and compasses only. Okay, like now let's see, we take and discuss some important question related to your NCERT exercise based on practical geometry. Let's see, the question is, construct quadrilateral ABCD, construct quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to what? 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now let's see its solution. Dear friend, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please dear friend, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, after that first we construct one question. After that you construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise with the help of ruler, scale, compasses, pencil. Okay, let's see. So first of all we draw the rough diagram of the quadrilateral ABCD. So here AB, and first of all we draw the base BC. Suppose that here this is your BC is equal to, this is BC, which is what? 5.5 centimeter, and okay, AB is what? 4.5. So let's see, here we write as, here this is A, AB is what? This is 4.5 centimeter. Now what I do? Now AC is 7 na? So we just write AC. So which is what? 7 centimeter. Now CD. So 5.5, okay. 4.5 is 7 centimeter. This now CD. Suppose that D is there here, so AD is also given 6 centimeter. So here this is AD as what 6 centimeter, and now AD is what 6 centimeter now. Now CD is 4. So that is what 4 centimeter. Okay. So based on this is the rough diagram of your quadrilateral ABCD. Now we constructing them in very systematic manner. Let's see. So in step first, dear student, in construction, please you write your steps of constructions. Without the step of constructions, your answer is incomplete. Okay, incomplete. Okay. Now let's see. So now in first step first, we draw a line segment BC as 5.5 centimeter. Okay, we draw a line segment. We draw a line segment BC as 5.5 centimeter. Now let's see. In that way, let's see. Suppose that we draw the base BC as 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now taking in second step, step 2. Now taking B as center and arc equal to distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Taking B as center, we write in this way. Taking B as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Let's see. Taking B as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc in this way. Okay. Now what I do? Now taking C as center in third step. Step third. Let's see the difference. Now taking C as center and distance equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, and now taking C as center and distance equal to 7 centimeter and distance equal to 7 centimeter, cuts an arc which intersect the previous arc at point A. Let's see here. Taking C as center and distance equal to cut an arc which cuts the previous arc at point A. Okay, now we just join AB and AC. Now in next step 4, join AB and AC. Okay, join AB and AC. Let's see. AB and AC. Now what I do? Let's see. This is your 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter, and this is your 7 centimeter. Now, dear friends, taking A as center and distance equal to 6 centimeter. Now, in fifth step, okay, in step 5th, taking what? A as center, taking A as center and distance equal to 6 centimeter. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Let's see. AS center and distance equal to 6. Draw an arc in this way. Okay. Taking AS center and distance equal to 6 centimeter and distance equal to 6 centimeter. Draw an arc. Now what I do? Now in next step, means step 6, what I do? Let's see. In that step, taking C as center, taking C as center and distance equal to 4 centimeter, equal to 4 centimeter, we draw an arc. We draw an arc which intersects the previous arc, which intersect the previous arc at D. Which intersects the previous arc at D. Okay, let's see. Now in that step, taking C as center and cuts an arc which cuts the previous arc. Let's see, we cuts the previous arc at point D. Now finally in step 7, join AD and CD. Join AD and CD. Let's see. Just join AD, okay, and CD. AD is what? 6 centimeter. CD is what? 4 centimeter. Okay. Thus, in last and final step 8 is what we write as here A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Here now, thus we write as A, B, C, D is a required quadrilateral. ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Okay, students. Thus, in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. So, please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions. You can construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise in very easy way. Let's see once more time. Here we construct a quadrilateral ABCD now, in which AB is given, BC is given, AC is given, AD is given, and as well as CD is given. Now we construct them by a very systematic manner. So using that steps of constructions, and we constructing that quadrilateral, which is very important for you and your upcoming examinations. So please, students, do more and more practices of that type of construction in your NCERT exercise. Now we take and discussed some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now, dear student, we take and solve some other important NCERT questions based on construction. Let's see. Draw a rhombus. Your question is draw a rhombus. BEST. Draw a rhombus BEST in which B is equal to 4.5 centimeters, BE is equal to 4.5 of 4.5 centimeter, ET is equal to 6 centimeter, and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Now let's solve it. Now let me solve it. This is the very important question of your syllabus. Here we draw the rhombus BST in which B is equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now what I do for that question? First of all, you know that the concept of rhombus. You know that in rhombus all of its sides are equal to each other. This is the very important property of rhombus. Okay. Now let's see. So here let's see BEST. Suppose that BE is equal to what? This is 4.5 centimeter. EST. Okay. This is S and this is T. And this is what ET. This is equal to 6 centimeter. And you know that in a rhombus, opposite sides is also parallel to each other, and edge sides are equal in rhombus. So here this is 4.5. This is also 4.5. This is also 4.5 centimeter. This is also 4.5 centimeter. This is the very important concept related to that chapter. Okay, dear students, now this is the rough diagram of a rhombus BEST. So now let's see, we draw it by a very systematic manner. So since we know that, first of all you know that all sides in a rhombus, all sides in a rhombus are equal to each other, equal to each other. That is BE is equal to ES is equal to ST is equal to BT is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So in this way we draw the rough diagram. Okay. Now we constructing them. We take step first. First of all, we draw the diagonal. This is your one of its diagonal of the quadrilateral of a rhombus. Now, so first of all, we draw its diagonal ET. Okay. First step, we draw line segment ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we draw a line segment ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Now let's see. Here this is your ET, okay, which is 6 centimeter. This is your first step. Now taking E as center. Now in second step. Now In step 2, taking E as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, taking E as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment. Okay, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. Let's see. Take E center and distance equal to 4.5. We draw an arc in this way. Okay, draw an arc in this way. This is an arc. Now, what I do now again in third step, taking T as center, taking T as center and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at point B. At point B, which cuts the previous arc at point B. So let's see. Here we cut the previous arc at point B. Now in next step 4. Now dear friends, in next step 4 we join B and BT. Okay, now let's see. B and BT each equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now similarly we apply that steps in that sections, in that portion. Means what I do, let's see. Similarly, taking in next step 5, taking E as center, taking E as center and distance equal to 4.5 and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Draw an arc in this way. Draw an arc. Now, similarly, in next step, taking T as center, draw and distance equal to 4.5 centimeter. Draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at point S. At point S. Suppose that. Okay. Now, finally, what I do, we just join ES and ST. Join ES and ST, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So this is the required solution of the given question. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. So using that concept, you can construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now we take and discuss some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now, just we take and discuss some other important question, some important topics related to practical geometry. Just I discuss about two very important questions related to the constructions. We just construct a very important question of your NCERT exercise. So, based on that topic, you can construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now, if we discuss some important questions related to practical geometry, suppose that we construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Suppose that we construct them. Okay, dear friends, first of all, your parallelogram is a region bounded by 4 line segments. So 4 line segments we have to construct that parallelogram ABCD. So please clear the concept of the property of parallelogram. Since you know that, let's see solution. Since we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. Opposite sides are parallel and equal to what? Each other. So in this way, first of all, you draw the rough figure of parallel A, B, C, D. Let's see. So AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So we just discussed about that. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So the side CD is also equal to 4.5 centimeter. Same as BC is given as what? 5 centimeter. So AD is also given as 5 centimeter. So using that concept, you construct that parallelogram. So first of all, in first step, we draw a line segment which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then after, what I do? We take A as center, we take B as center, and distance equal to 5 centimeter. Cut an arc in this way, and one of its diagonal and AC is also given as 7 centimeter. Here shows in your question, AC is also given as. Okay, now here this is AC 7 centimeter. Now what I do? Taking A as center and distance equal to 7 centimeter. Distance equal to 7 centimeter. Cut an arc which cut the previous arc at point, suppose that C, and we just join AC and BC respectively, which is equal to 5 centimeter, dear students. Okay, now what I do? We just taking A as center and distance equal to 5 centimeter. Cut an arc in this way. Okay, now taking C as center and distance equal to 4.5, we cut another arc in this way. Suppose that arc intersect each other at point D. Now what I do? We just join AD and CD. This is the required parallelogram. Okay, so dear students, using that concept, you can construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now in next class, dear students, we do first of all, you revise all the important questions which we discussed in that class. After that, you complete your NCERT exercise. Now in next class, we take and construct some other important questions of your NCERT exercise based on practical geometry. First of all, you revise each and every questions which we discussed in that class and complete your NCERT exercise. Each and every questions are very important. Okay, now thanks to all.